let's dive straight into the second signal, audience retention. Now let's talk about audience retention. This is the metrics that separates the videos that have 30,000 views from videos that have like 4 million views. This is the thing that separates them. It's the metrics that shows that this is the difference between the two videos, the one that have higher views and the one that have low views. It's not your subscriber, it's not even how you upload frequency, and it's not even your click-through rate. In simple terms, audience retention, it simply means it measures how long your viewers watch your video before they leave, how long they watch your content before they leave your channel. That's what audience retention actually means. Let's imagine this. Two videos, they have impressive of 9% CTR. So one of the two videos, one of them lets his viewers watch till they leave in 30 seconds. The second video, it lets the viewers to watch from the beginning to the end. So let's assume, which of these videos do you think YouTube is likely to recommend? We all agree and we all know it's the second video, because it's the one that viewers watch from the beginning till the end. So definitely that video, it has higher audience retention. People are not leaving easily. That means the video is have good hook. The creator is delivering the relevant content that is needed, and is going straight to the point. It's not beating around the bush. So you can see the difference now. Our YouTube goal is not about make people to click videos. YouTube goal is about letting the viewers to stay longer on the platform as long as possible. So the thing there is now that if your video have higher retention, if your video have higher audience retention, that is the more things that YouTube is going to use to provide more opportunities for you as a creator and for your channel. Your viewers is going to discover more of your videos, and YouTube is going to put different types of ads on your video, quality ads I mean. So that's how it works. So by doing this, they keep audience engaged, and that's why audience retention, average view duration and watch time are the most important metrics in the YouTube studio. As we all know, they are the most important metrics in the YouTube studio. Whenever I review a struggling channel, I don't start by asking about subscribers. The first thing I do is going to their audience retention graph. So anytime I go to the audience retention graph, I notice same pattern. In their first 20 to 40 seconds, everything drops. So the moment everything drops, there is a huge probability that they do not have good audience retention. People are not watching their video. In the first 30 to 20 seconds, they have already clicked off. So you all need to work on that aspect. You really need to work on it. That tells me one thing, that the title and thumbnail make people to confuse to click the videos. That's just it. And once people are not clicking your video, that is the fastest way to lose your YouTube confidence, and you are going to lose a lot of subscribers. You are going to lose a lot of things by not even getting viewers. Now let's talk about some common mistake. 1. Wasting the first 30 seconds. This is a big mistake that almost all small creators usually do. So I'm going to give you a two version of this now. So we all are going to assess it and we are going to choose the right one. So the first version goes like this. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay. My YouTube channel is just growing and I need you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All this, you don't need it. Immediately you started saying this, before you finish, most of the viewers have already clicked off. You get my point? So let's talk about the second one. Let's talk about it. The channel I'm working on just started gaining more traction, and most of the YouTubers really don't know what to do. So I'm going to tell you what to do on this episode now. So just take your chair and sit down and watch this video to the end. Now tell me, which of these are you going to watch? Which one are you going to watch from the beginning to the end. The second fashion, definitely that's what you are going to watch from the beginning to the end, because it's delivering the content that you need immediately. You get my point? It's already delivering it, so you can see that you are not wasting your time by watching that. But when you are watching the first one, in the first 30 seconds you have already clicked off, because you can see that it's just trying to introduce himself, which you don't need to know him about anything. All you want to know is just to hear what he or she has to say. Second fashion curates curiosity, deliver immediate value, and it gives viewers reason to stay. That's exactly how your opening should work. There's a simple rule you can use before publishing your next video. If your first 30 seconds is not directly supporting your title and thumbnail, rewrite the script instantly. Rewrite them. That's all you have to do. Just write them. So once you write them, you are going to see that you are going to get more retention, you are going to get more click-through rate as well. Also, the faster you fulfill the promise, that end the clicks, and also the better your retention will be. You all need to know this. Now let's talk about the retention formula successful creator use. Here is something many successful creators use. In every 20 to 40 seconds or every 20 to 30 seconds, they give your brain something new. So just to keep your brain attentively. You get my point? Maybe a new visual, a quick statistics, a new animation, or a question that will make you curious. Also a screenshot or a bold claim. These are called pattern interrupts. They are designed to reset your attention before your mind starts wandering. Think about your favorite educational channel. Have you noticed about how the visual zoom in, how they zoom out, or how the camera angle changes? Have you ever noticed about them? If you notice about them, all those things are not happening accidentally. They are happening because they are specifically planned. You get my point? So they are not just happening accidentally. If your content is excellent, if you do not plan your visual well, and your viewers are watching for so many minutes without even changing anything, they will start to be feeling bored, so they will not even enjoy the content. That's why I always tell most creators to plan their visual well before they started editing. General rule: try introducing visual change in 20 to 40 seconds. Sometimes just a visual animation or screenshot, or just showing an animation of words changing, is going to keep your viewers engaged. It's not going to make them to be feeling bored. So that's why you need to be doing all this. You need to plan your visual ahead before you started editing. Common mistake 2: explaining too much. Here is another mistake that quietly hurts audience retention. Creators start explaining too much, explaining ideas too much, and audience have already know what you are explaining. So you don't need to be explaining too much to your audience. Now let me give an example. You started to be explaining that your thumbnail is this, just to confuse the audience that you have to do your thumbnail very well. Instead, what your audience needs is that just teach them how to do that thumbnail. That's all. Instead of you just explaining for too long, just teach them how to do that thumbnail to get higher CTR. That's all you need. You don't need to be explaining to them. They already know that thumbnail is very, very important. So just teach them the metrics and the tips they need for them to create a good thumbnail that is going to get them higher click. That's all. So as you are editing your next video, ask yourself this question: am I repeating information, or I'm moving the viewers forward? So once you notice that you are repeating information, or you are not delivering the relevant content at that section, either you remove it or you shorten it. one of the both. And you all need to know this, that fast piercing always lead to good retention. Our part 3 is curiosity loop. Here is where things get better. Let's assume that you have put everything you have learned so far in part 1 and 2, you have put it into action, and maybe you are still not getting your views, or your video is not still going fire. Now you have worked on your thumbnail, your hook, your retention, everything, you have worked on it, but you are still not going fire. So I want you to know this, that this is what you need to do. In this part 3, this is exactly what you need to do. There is one more factor that is going to determine if YouTube is going to find the right audience for your content or for your video for it to go viral. So this factor is hidden in your YouTube studio, and most creators always ignore it. So I'm going to let you to know that factor. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to use trending topics, search demand, suggested video, and some other features on YouTube to get and to dramatically increase how you are going to get recommended on the YouTube space, even if you are starting from 0 subscriber. So thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you in one way or the other, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends that you know that they are just starting content creating on YouTube. Keep creating and never give up. Bless. Quick one, guys, I've been creating something special on YouTube and I want you all to be part of it. Kindly go to my YouTube bio. There is link on my YouTube bio. I've created different social media platforms. I have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and Discord community. Kindly go to my YouTube bio and follow me on all those platforms. And once you follow me on all those platforms, just send me a DM and tell me you are from YouTube. I promise to reply your message. Just text me. I promise to reply your message. Keep creating and never give up. Bye. See you in the next one.